Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to lock the screen rotation on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down and then tap on touch. From here, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on back tap. Then here you could use double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap. Then we go down and tap on lock rotation. And that's it. So from now on, you can double tap at the back to turn on lock rotation on your device. And you can see here, when I double tap, I can lock it or I can unlock it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.